Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on Candy Crush app. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Candy Crush Saga. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.